Hi everybody and welcome to another daily dose of Jace tutorials. So we are going to run our user benchmark test on the Lenovo 320S IdeaPad laptop. So this is in 2019. So I like using UserBench. It's because I can understand the results. It's a lot simpler for a non-super PC user. So like I'm just kind of like a casual user. This is more like a hobby. So I really like running the user benchmark. So it'll give us an explanation soon enough. So I'm gonna turn off the mic for now, and then we'll get to it. Okay, welcome back everyone. So we are almost done. There we go. So here is our results for UserBench. So it excludes the HDD, which we don't have. So gaming is 14%. Wow. Desktop is 52%. So this is a Lenovo 80X4 is the model. So it's a workstation, 25%. PC status overall, the PC is performing above expectations, 67th percentile. Nice. This means that out of 100 PCs, 33 perform better. Pretty good. Processor, average single core. So yeah, I do browsing the web, video playback, general computing tasks. That's me. That's totally me. So, graphics, really bad. Luckily, I don't do any heavy gaming on it. Some StarCraft 2, Diablo 3, nothing fancy. Boot drive is really good. 8 gigs of RAM, awesome. Windows 10. So, CPU throttle 96%. Let's scroll down here. Processor, above expectations, awesome. Intel HD 620, terrible. Oops. You got your light on, that's good. Below average for the RAM, dang. Oh hey, looks like there's only 1 or 2 slots used, so I could probably upgrade that in the future. Maybe. That is awesome. Here's our ladder, I guess. So that's pretty much all I got. Thank you for watching. Take it easy.